Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of OneVideo AI, most powerful AI video models app collection. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this. The average viewer spends 97% of their time on video-based content like shorts, reels, stories and more. It's crystal clear, the AI industry is the next massive gold mine online, packed with limitless potential to generate unstoppable profits. Imagine this. In just a few clicks, you generate a scroll-stopping 4K ad. A viral YouTube short, a product explainer, or an AI-narrated cinematic reel. Without ever touching editing software or hiring a freelancer. Then what? Sell it on Fiverr, Upwork, or to businesses looking for premium video content. Keep 100% of the profits with full commercial rights. No rendering limits. No hidden fees. No tech headaches. Sounds like a game changer? That's because it is. After months of testing and training the best AI video models on Earth, we built the only all-in-one platform designed to make AI-powered video creation, selling, and scaling effortless for anyone. Built-in commercial license, sell unlimited videos and reels. One-time payment, no monthly fees. No subscriptions. All elite AI video models in one place, no logins. No API keys. Just results. Create. Sell. Dominate. With OneVideo AI, you're not just creating videos, you're running a full-blown AI video agency in minutes. A game-changer AI app collection that gives you access to the world's best AIs. Like Google Veo, Kling, Hyper, Luma Dream Machine, Stable Diffusion, Minimax, Mochi, Hunyuan and more. Without paying any monthly fees. Say goodbye to expensive video editor apps, and complicated AI tools. OneVideo AI ends your struggle forever. Deal is, if you purchase OneVideo AI and don't feel you are getting what you paid for it, then we don't want your money. We're on the mission to deliver a quality product with zero unhappy customers. And if we fall short in any way, then we don't deserve your money. Well, if we don't meet your expectation, then just us know within 30 days for a full refund. Heck, as a kind gesture we'll even send you some extra softwares to skyrocket your business and sales, like never before. So either way, you only win. Today, only one time, $14.95. Limited time offer, unlock turbo video models, advanced AI business tools and exclusive new video models every month. Boost your content speed, quality and profits plus 24*7 exclusive support. 98% of the customers pick this up. Just $9.95, normally $197. If you close this tab, you might lose the biggest video income opportunity of 2024. You've scrolled this far, which means you're ready for change. Here's exactly why you should say yes to OneVideo AI. Stop paying monthly fees for Veo, Luma, Hyper and other expensive AI video tools, all included in OneVideo AI. Launch your own AI video subscription platform, charge monthly and earn passively. Access world's top AI video apps, Google Veo, Luma Dream Machine, Hyper, Stable Diffusion, Minimax, and more in one dashboard. Create 4K Hollywood-style ads, reels and promos from a single voice prompt, no camera, no editing needed. Auto-generate viral shorts for TikTok, Reels and YouTube Shorts using Minimax, Kling and Hyper. Drag and drop your way to stunning video assets, no tech skills, no steep learning curve. Use 1,000 plus premium templates to build explainers, trailers, product demos, and storytelling ads. Get lifetime access, no hidden charges ever again. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee, try it 100% risk-free. Enjoy 89% early bird discount, but only for action takers. Within minutes of buying this software, you will notice that you've left your anxious and lesser self far behind. You are now living up to your fullest potential. Being the person that you are meant to be, shining brighter than ever before. P.S. While we're excited to offer unrestricted access to OneVideo AI for a single price, we can only do that during this limited launch. As soon as the launch closes, the price will increase to a monthly membership. Get everything now for a low one-time fee. Or risk missing out and paying much more at monthly price later. The decision is yours. OneVideo AI is the world's first all-in-one AI video powerhouse that gives you access to premium tools, all from one simple dashboard, with no monthly fees. OneVideo AI is 100% newbie-friendly, just log in, type your prompt, and the app does the rest. No tech headaches, no editing hassles. Yes. OneVideo AI works on any device, desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Just log in and start creating videos from anywhere in the world. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.